Binaka and Nandra Binaka, to all our friends tuning in from around the country this morning. We say Bulu Binaka to all the teachers tuning in this morning, maybe going in the bus to school, in the carrier, to all the students.
Yeah.
We hope that you will have a beautiful and don't sing Binaka ning rabi tabi pagkataka kinabuli and the sing Binaka. And Binaka Dems and Binaka Samu.
And Rabinaka.
Yo, and Rabinaka Will Bell.
Hey!
Will Bell.
Will Bell. Well, good morning to each and everyone who tuning in inside the bus, and likewise to all the listeners, all the Wekana, all the family. They tuning in from the live stream of VTFM in this wonderful morning.
Yeah.
From Pennsylvania in America.
Yeah.
Pennsylvania in America. Tumalenga Junior is tuning in.
Hey, and Binaka.
Penny is driving to
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania is good at Towny Penny. Bill Seni and Bulabinaka, thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful morning, and likewise to all the nurses and the doctors from Wanikoro Health Center.
Yes,
Thank you very much for the service to all the people. Yes, beautiful Ngokoko Leo Kabika.
Yeah. Well, good morning to the flesh fry fish and cassava from the Sinu Road of Valley Lebu. Yesterday we went to Thanksgiving to the people there for the well accompany and services and hospitality of the arriving zone.
I was at frying
pan.
Frying pan me kata. Frying pan me bulan na ngona. Yeah. At the flesh fry. This one doing the pounding. Yeah.
Pounding or powder?
Pounding the powder.
Pounding the powder.
Yeah. This one is small businessman.
Bernanga.
Bernadanga one. Opposite. Just opposite from the flesh fry. Yeah. To talk about it, to all the staff of Flesh Fry, we say good morning and bulu to you. Samalo, na boleh besar tapi tokan na singa no, and bugun itu na video shoot leka and kay outsiko na singa pangarumbuka and na mother mayongo. And we say yan to all the hotel workers. Nasa sa para, and we hotel na korturang suba, and hotel na deva ni tangki biti, and we hotel na bulu kuri nonda benua ni yanra ni mata binaka.
Well, good morning to the village of Soana Kurutumbura.
Yanra binaka.
And also to the people Sirusemi, to Mbupate, and not forgetting Busamu from Kinoya for the funeral
gathering.
For coming yesterday. Thank you very much. To Tinay Ju, Matelitawati to Ju, Henry Mau, Vads, and the family, Odudi, they're joining from Nausori this morning. Not forgetting everyone as part of this morning, to all the students, to all the parents, to all the guardians, to all the grandparents, to all everybody inside the road. You're walking use as a pedestrian. Thank you very much for joining this morning.
Your junior Ranatora. Tuning in this morning when he was in the UK. He felt lonely.
Yes,
He kept the fish there and no one eat the bait.
Oi.
So he thought, I have to go back to Fiji.
Right.
Now it's like the
Regards.
Regards. Say the word.
Send regards.
Acknowledgement.
Hey, all the best.
Table of content.
Table of content. Hey, all the best, Junior Ranatora. Junior Ranatora.
All right.
For your wedding.
Ranatora talagang gurang marama.
Ano na kamili, ano na ka be bulikula. Kakin na be hatmi, ano matake na inday. Wadi na ka bulbi tokan na be ringo be na puno tapang ando borong bulbi kina. Kai wai. Ni yan binaka na mataka binaka di kuah.
You can drink 10 kg grog.
10 kg grog?
10 kg grog.
Oh, one night or 1 week or 1 month?
Depend.
Hey, I can drink on 1 month.
10 kg? Huh? Pita tawake, tawata from UK.
Yeah.
He took the ration for 1 year.
How many?
10 kg.
Oh, maybe 1 week he missed Tawata. He missed the days.
No, because drinking for job not drinking for klase. Drinking for job. Ngunu babuku.
Right.
Oh.
Then after that, finish.
Drink with acknowledgement,
If you calculate your drinking, how much grog did you drink 1 year?
How many kg?
How many kg? See?
12 kg? 1 kg a month?
More.
Okay, sir.
More. Because one night, if you drink grog, you can drink more than 1 kg.
Hey!
Huh? If some family came.
No, this for you
for
only.
You alone.
Oh, alone?
Yeah.
And maybe 20 kg.
Yeah.
20 kg
yeah.
annually.
It depends if you drink grog every week. Every day. Huh.
So, which one is better? Drinking grog or drinking water?
Drinking water is more better.
So, who will be more liter inside your body? Water or grog?
Water.
Why you choose water?
Because water is is absorbed in your body.
Okay.
The grog is go in and come out.
So, water never come out?
No, water like hour then come out.
Oi, the grog?
But the grog can't. 5 minutes, if you started it, it will come out.
So,
Like-
when you drink water, drink grog, who is faster?
Grog.
Why faster?
Because it's, I don't know.
Yeah.
It's go inside, maybe it's absorbed in your stomach.
Yeah.
Same time want to come out again.
Going to your stomach,
Yeah.
and why is the head is spin when there is no grog going to the head? Answer.
That's
Nantaw mo
called-
secondary.
That's called stressful.
Stressful. Yeah, that's how we grow. We drink a lot of water this time,
Yeah.
even though it's very cold.
Right.
Drink a lot of water because water is part of our body.
Yeah.
Water is being part of our energetic.
Yeah.
Water is being part of our movement. Without water in our body, we will feel easy.
Dizzy.
We will,
Dizzy.
dizzy. We will feel,
This
dizzy
is-
ko lang ng basi. We will feel, un-okay, eh?
Yo.
So, un-okay. So, we better. Drinking water, even though you are cold, drinking water. If you can drink cold water,
Yeah.
drink boiled water. Kung naway ito maka.
Right.
So that can help you
Yeah.
generate your everybody.
Yeah.
Because now, one footstep, second footstep, you feel sweating.
Yeah.
If sweating is part of your body, water too is being part of your body.
Yeah.
The more water going outside, the more water entering outside. That's why you see water, it's H2O. You see the H?
Yo.
There's two stick
Yeah.
and one cross. You hold them together. That's why you see you 2 leg
Yo.
and one stomach. Hold you together.
Wait.
Sandro kalau masalah salah tu gua.
Kawan na tumoko sa bang ko yun. Kaya madalo man din ko na
No, because you're taking biology. Maybe that's true.
Yeah.
Okay. Warna
Yeah, so Salawati Marabu, Hidden Angel. Thank you very much.
Toto kan talon ni Okay. I want to ask you two Honolulu boys something.
Ikaw ba sa second to you?
Saya nggak. Bataw orang sa.
What about if you ask like this? What? I ask you, tu baka tambi Singapore.
Saya nggak. Kendoro mo ni Honolulu mo. Why do we cut our hair?
Okay. Yeah, iwala.
Cut our hair.
Yeah.
Because of our looking very good.
Right.
We have to beautify because our hair,
Yeah.
it's beautify our face.
Okay, I don't know. Totok.
See, look at that. Miss.
Yeah.
Look
Okay.
at the hair.
Yeah.
The reason why, okay, I want to take you back in
Yeah.
the 1500 years, 1000 years of our life.
Yeah.
They cut their hair?
They don't
Wait,
cut their
yeah.
hair, but they comb their hair.
Which combing they use?
They use the stick,
Which kind of stick?
the bamboo one.
Okay, the one.
Huh.
So, they married?
They married.
So when you say beautification, you cut your hair?
Yeah.
It's different.
Nggak
Because
orang
that time,
Oh.
they clean themselves.
Yeah.
So we never clean us?
You never clean your hair.
This hair is growing, it's part of our life. If hair was being positioning, kaya ba kasi nga niya nga naulunta? Kaya ba kasi nga niya nga naulunta? If our hair is not being, ano ba? Is being manipulated,
Yeah.
kasi nga niya nga naulunta,
Yeah.
it's useless. No, sa bimbi.
Yeah.
If not good,
Ayo.
then why the hair grew?
Okay.
Okay, so
okay,
you-
okay. Stop there. Some of us have fully grown hair,
Fully aircon.
but they choose to cut it short. Why? Metaspur. Why?
Because one is this.
Yeah.
I've
Yeah.
tried before.
Yeah.
As soon as you go to the bathroom, you come back, you just use your towel, you never use the mirror
Yeah.
to comb or what. It make work easier.
Okay.
Singan yo kananga una.
Yeah.
Time is very
When
good.
you cut your hair.
When you cut your hair.
Yeah.
Just kanga mali this towel, set trousers,
Yeah.
jao.
Down. Huh.
Right.
Yeah.
And if you
If you long hair,
Yeah.
you'll come, you'll worry about your hair.
Yeah.
Aumuwuku,
Yeah.
gel, vesu.
Right.
Before that, may mama na
Right.
combo na tarama may kesuwa-suwa.
Okay.
If no, the coot will be there
Yeah.
and you'll pour the kerosene.
Yeah. That
It is
was...
true because you did it.
Oh, kuno bin dusi. Kuno bin dusi lek.
Sekali.
Usari ko sabari dia. Abong kuno dusi lek.
One day when we were doing trade show, we were doing trade show with Mikael Galabula, and he have the long hair, not long, just short, and that short you
Short
can
long.
extend it.
Yeah.
Who?
You Mikael Galabula,
Oi,
you can
with the
extend it,
beads.
eh? When he extend it,
Ah.
and he's big,
Yeah.
I tell him, wait, but you have to cut your hair, boy.
Right.
You have to cut your hair.
Yeah.
Why?
Why you have to cut my hair? No, but I'm very inconsistent
Yeah.
about your hair.
Alright.
Why?
Yeah.
Because
Mabangang ko mi ko. Usari re pinakatingin ba.
Lako, you sleeping in your room and you saw one bit of there.
Nalaking dara.
Okay, onso singo, nagtataw
Signore.
Bumbu,
Okay.
ve nono ba so mika, ba subata?
Mm.
E de coach sa da cabo to kan donangona.
Ilkimi.
Yeah.
Bola minaka tamay Diyos.
Yeah.
One day, Mika was becoming Rasta. He was to be a Rasta.
He want to be a Rasta.
Yeah, runs to be a Rasta.
Kita timbiu, satu kudu ami beso taru ni coach.
Oh, dati?
Yeah, dati.
Oh, tobata sa when the reunion is arrived,
Yeah.
they used to come in, they're looking forward to for their family tree.
Yeah.
This is your Mbumbu, this is your uncle, this is
Go,
your
yang pag
auntie.
ngango, bita nga na bulu sao singo.
And
That's 2 weeks.
Yeah,
as soon
yeah.
as our Tobata arrived there,
Yeah.
we don't have much right when our Mbu is there
Yeah.
or our mother is there.
Yeah.
Because they use the format of discipline.
Dina.
Yeah. If they see us, because we as a parents, when we see the children, what happens to the children is reflect we as parents.
Yeah.
Eh? Kaya tumbo luto yung dua, sini ko tayo katuwa binaka, kondo na bililingon yung duka.
Yeah.
Eh? Watu yan na kinairay-ray, eh?
Yeah.
When they see Tobata, to, may,
E coach tu bata boko ngona.
o kaya baka tu kay, nakot-kuti baka ni Randy Kesamo.
Yeah.
Kami kalibuto na dati.
Mburi bida ke.
Iyo. Baka koron daw unduri tu may na UK, koron daw yan daw tu na osi.
Yeah, yeah.
Nata na.
Irna na guard. Coast guard.
Alam?
Coast guard.
Omokar. Iya, kora close guard, kora kaulule. So when the auntie, the mother, and the Mbumbu,
Yeah.
they Tobata.
Like that movie,
Cut.
Jack and the Beanstalk.
Iyo,
Giant, eh?
right.
Yeah.
You cut your hair because that's symbolize the cleanness of our family.
Our family.
Yeah, yeah.
So he listened to that, he cut his hair. Yeah, that's how they clean their hair. Alam mo na makabali?
Malo!
Yeah. Bilasenia and everybody journey this
So-
morning. Now, Michaela Galabula, you see Michaela Galabula is starting to grow the hair again.
No, like that time, when Mikael grew the hair, one day he come to his village.
Yeah.
And the father was there, and the family was there.
You know,
And the
because...
brother said,
Yeah.
hey, Mika, you start to change.
Omikas.
Oh, Mika said to Mama, don't carry.
Now you see Mika,
Yeah.
you see the growing the hair,
Yeah.
and imagine he's driving, eh?
Yeah.
Woo!
First month, second month, 1 year of driving,
Yeah.
if you're not trained, your stomach will grow bigger.
Right, right. Yeah.
When your stomach grow bigger and you got a long hair,
Yeah.
you know. Kambasungan anda ko yan na ikan rumay mo. Kambasungan anda ko na ikan rumay mo ribera pa sinjiya.
And you wearing touch vest, eh? And apa-apa is very slack.
Okay, sekali.
Kaya ba kami mong genre ba yung umika? Sa lutungan ng belit.
Nalala ko parang dito pa.
Binale Punjas and Vinod Patel. Thank you. Mbuli binakang kasi may kuka. Sa mga tumagor may nantawa. Mata kami nanikuha. We love you. We love you. We love you.
Ayan rabi na kan nabubal na ifata akula tampalo men St. John's Theological College.
Alright.
Iya.
Minabalib sarfada bertokel sarnangone.
Iya.
Makatalang kinaberandini. Na mataka binakanikuha.
Isa.
Sekali. Ya sana untuk tali tanga boleh na tawli. Non disiplin tek dari nang bumbu
Iya.
Turun wali disiplin. Naposa nga?
Niwa.
Tolong ali.
Iya.
Tolong.
Niwa
Kapten
masamba de sartu nga naulung.
Oi.
Wasadreds tu.
Iya.
Ako ngay video kailan kami on video call vina.
Iya.
Kung nung video call sarang ni vina.
Talo.
Iya.
Matanggal kuti bata mo gor. Kuti bata ni kangkor sini pabuli tabi ko.
Sempre virtu respect.
Iyan doon na. Laksara mi sakot. Kuti pur.
Ada kayak gue tak apa tuh burtunga, waktu burtunga, kono mo deadlocks. Bita bela magi waktu tumbura tak kena kami umbia.
Tempura ta ke o ngor sa misun.
Wey.
Okay, minabalib kemni kan sarabya kan ini dapat tulu minamataka binanikuha. Sana may tabi ka kenda tao.
Dono.
Isa musin din biyo.
Minabalib sar siam siwa, minabalib sar punches, minabalib binadu patel. Dono mo like, dono mo share. Ena buku nanda ouch palang isaw, ena mataka binakentente. Medalo ko nang katarapa. Tunata ningo.
Iya, kuru mundu